Hello, Admin Sonja here, aka Sonja Rankin, aka Realtor Rankin here, and I wanted to share the events that are coming up this weekend. So let's check them out over on Facebook. So tomorrow, which is Saturday at 10 a.m., we have a pet adoption event over at Pet Supermarket. So if you'd like to check that out, that's over in Fort Walton Beach. Then, as we continue on, the Best of the West Jazz Competition, and that's tomorrow at 11 a.m. over at the Harbor Walk Village. Then we have Southern Style Brunch with lots of cocktails over at Timber Creek Distillery, and that's tomorrow at 11 as well. So tomorrow at 12 p.m. we have Grill and Chill with James, and this is over at the Emerald Coast Harley Davidson. And as we continue on, tomorrow at 7 p.m. we have live music with Jody Lucas, and this is going to be over at LJ Schooners. If you have some kids and it's time to bring them over to the Kids Paint at Third Planet, and this is always a good time. Anytime Third Planet has an event, I always tend to really enjoy it. So those are options that are on the table for you. One other thing I wanted to mention is tomorrow in Crestview. If you're in Crestview, stop by our open house. So this is a beautiful property for sale. This is at 6012 Aubrey Lee Lane in Crestview, Florida. This home is for sale. It is 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's on a cul-de-sac, so you have all this space here. Over here is like a little reserve area, and my understanding is that nobody can build over here. So you've got your lot right here. I'd confirm that, but it was told to us when we purchased, or I worked with the sellers. They just want to be somewhere else. So when they bought the place, I was their agent, and I was told that this area is they're never going to build there. So you can always confirm that for yourself if you're interested in buying the property. I always recommend doing your own research. But that's a fun fact. So this house is on a cul-de-sac, which we know cul-de-sac lots tend to be a little bit bigger. Over here, so this is a separate fence that you own. And right here, there's a gate to it, a separate fence, and this fence connects to a door that connects to the garage. So if you have a dog or a cat and you want to let them go through the doggy door, they can run and play and do their business, go back in the garage. And if you're having a party, the dog can be out and about while you're visiting and hanging out with your friends in your big backyard that is also fenced in. So this is a separate fenced in area you can use for whatever you want. And then it's separate from your big fenced in backyard. So you've got plenty of space. There's a 2-car garage here, and you could fit at least 6 vehicles in the driveway. And they've poured down some like asphalt or gravel, and you can park a couple vehicles here and also pull into the backyard. So it's great if you own a company. It's great if you just need some extra space. And the home is 1,860 square feet, so it's nothing to bat an eye at either. So this is a really beautiful place, and this is one of the places that actually looks like the pictures. So it's a beautiful place, tall ceilings, very modern, all black appliances, and lots of natural light throughout here. This is the master bedroom here. Absolutely beautiful. Master bathroom, double sinks. You've got a separate toilet area, separate garden tub, and you've got a separate shower, which is really nice. That's the hallway area. There's bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2 is an office. Bedroom number 3 is an office. Bedroom number 4 is a gym. Right now, it can be used for whatever you want. But bedroom number 5 is the master. So this is the backyard, big backyard. And of course, we talk about like the fenced in area over here where your dog can run. The current owners do have pets. They keep it super clean. And the home would be thoroughly cleaned before closing. So this is a really great place. I absolutely love this house. So they just reduced the price to $332. So if you want to check out this place, you're more than welcome to. Or if you want to pop around and see what other properties are in the market, we have this one right here is 6012 Aubrey Lee Lane in Crestview, Florida. The open house will be Saturday the 21st from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. And this is my website, www.destinfloridahome.com. And we don't just sell homes in Destin, we sell them everywhere. But DestinFloridaHome.com, you can go there and check out other properties, get a free home valuation on your own property, whatever you'd like. But the most important thing is that you get outdoors and go have some fun, whether it be coming to my open house or checking out some of these events that are going on this weekend. And to find these events, you can always go to Facebook and go up to this menu right here, hit events, and it'll show you which ones are coming up, and you can search what weeks you want, what you're really looking for, and narrow that down. Okay, y'all go have an amazing weekend, have some fun. Sorry to bore you with the real estate stuff if you're just not looking, but I want to offer options. Maybe you know somebody who is. We'd love to find a great buyer. Maybe even bring some friends of yours closer to you. So let us know if we can help anybody out with this property right here. We'd love to give you a hand. We'd love to help any of your friends find their next place if this is not the one. But I just wanted to make sure you got an invite to the open house. Okay, bye guys. Have an amazing weekend.